Hi everyone and good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and I am doing well too. Friends, today I have exam and I am going to take it. First of all, I have to go to my school to do some important work. After that, I have to go my college. And friends, you can see today's weather, and today's weather is a little bit foggy, and I hope sun will appear. Friends, you can see this background, and I am going, and yes, I'm going to my school, and these are wheat field, and behind me there are wheat field, and yes, you can see this edge mustard, and these flowers are blooming. Friends, do you enjoy your English journey? Literally, yes. I am enjoying my English journey. Whenever I speak 5 or 10 minutes, I feel more energetic. I feel confident when I speak English. That's why I try to speak near about 10 minutes in 24 hours. It means I speak near about 10 minutes in one day. Friends, in my opinion, grammar is important. Why? Because I learned English through grammar. In my initial days, I don't know. In my initial days, I didn't know how to speak English. And first of all, I learned tenses, modals, and some important rules, grammar, and daily uses sentences. If you don't need grammar, you can speak English. Like if you know daily uses sentences, you can speak English. When you speak English little bit, you feel confident. And in my initial days, in my starting days, I speak simple sentences because I didn't know long sentences, and I didn't know how to frame long sentences. Even today, I forget sometimes while speaking English due to lack of vocabulary, but I am working on it, vocabulary and more sentences to speak in English. Yes, I read book. In my English journey, reading is very important and it helps me to memorize these words. When I read any story, I I mark out difficult words and I learn it. If I read one story and there is a lot of meanings and there is a lot of words, and these words I don't have any idea what is the meaning of that words or these words, I search it, and then I realize what is the meaning of. After searching, I know the meaning, and I try to use in my daily life. So reading is very important in my life, and I believe reading is very important in your life. So you need to read book. Friends, I am getting late to reach my school where I work as a teacher, but I am fond of recording my video and I am fond of speaking English. That's why I always try to speak in front of the camera, and I tried to speak near about. I have told you that I try to speak near about 10 minutes in a day. And when I speak English, I feel energetic. Do you like that? Friend, it is my suggestion, if you are beginner and if you want to learn English language, you should record your video. When you should record your video, after recording, you can watch it and find your mistake. Friends, I am walking on the highway. You can see my left hand side and my right hand side. There is a garbage. Friends, I am in my college and my exam went well. And yes, most of the questions were familiar to me. That's why I have attempted all the questions. Okay, friends, I am feeling energetic. It means I am on cloud nine because my exam went well. Friends, I will show you my college playground. But first of all, I want to show something. I want to show you something. Here I drink water, and these are taps. Friends, now I am going to turn on the tap. I turn on the tap. Hey friends, you can see water. What is called in English? The water is running. The water is running. Friends, most of the student has went their home, but still I am here because I am recording my video, and this is my school, sorry, this is my college playground, and you can see there are two students who are sitting on the school playground, and these are beautiful plants which has planted, and everyone has went to their home, but I am going to my home because I don't have much time to stay here. Friends, I am sitting here, and you can see I am sitting under the tree. In the summer season, everyone wants to sit in the shadow of tree, but in the winter, I am sitting here. I don't want to go there from this place, but I have to go. And these flowers has planted in the small pots, and this is tree. Now I am going from this college.